Hey friends, this is Jill Spindler with Wild Ones WNC. I wanted to do a little demonstration for you today about how to make a very effective mosquito trap for your yard. It's about mosquito season here. I'm already seeing the larvae in standing water. I haven't got bit yet, but I know it's just a matter of time. So what I'm doing is I'm setting up these traps for my yard, and I'm probably going to put 2 or 3 of them out. This is Doug Tallamy's method. So he suggests using a dark container, fill it up about 2/3 of the way with water, and add some straw, or I've added grass to mine, and I did this a couple days ago, so the water has kind of sat here and it's gotten a little gross. It'll get very gross, but that's what mosquitoes like to lay their eggs in. So you just do that, and then you add a mosquito dunk. This is Bt toxin, which is an insecticide, but it doesn't seem to be harmful to animals or people. It just kills insects. So you add that to the water. That will last for 1 month, and then after a month you dump the whole bucket out and you start over. So for our entire season here is about 5 months. A Bt dunk costs $1 or $2. So you can have really effective control for your whole summer for not a lot of money, and you're not using harmful sprays, which will kill bees and butterflies and other beneficial insects. So I added the dunk to my water, and I'm going to take a special precaution because I have a neighborhood cat who I don't want drinking the water. Now, like I said, this isn't really toxic to humans or animals, so the cat could probably drink it and be okay. I just don't like the idea of her drinking it. So I'm going to put some bird netting over the top of this, and then some rubber bands that I connected together to keep animals from drinking it, but the holes are still plenty big for mosquitoes to fly in and out easily. And this is going to collect a whole lot of larvae, and the Bt dunk will kill them. So I hope this allows everyone to enjoy their summer in their yards, and I look forward to having a mosquito-free yard myself. So thanks, and if you guys have any tips or comments or questions, please leave them in the comments.